In the past 30 days, I made over $14,000 using this proven affiliate marketing strategy that I'm going to share with you guys in today's video. Now, this is going to be a part of two-part series of videos where I'm going to teach you exactly how to set this method up, and I'm going to share with you some of the most important tips and tricks that I've been using myself to generate a high-converting email marketing strategy that I've been using to generate results just like this in the past 30 days on daily basis on complete autopilot. So just watch this first part to know how to set it up, then just go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell, because the next video in this series is coming out on Thursday, where I'm going to share with you two of the best traffic sources that you can use with this method to make it most profitable. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for affiliate marketplace websites. Pretty much before you get to start, you want to choose an affiliate marketplace that you want to work with, and although this process is going to be working with most of the marketplaces out there, for complete beginners, I highly suggest that you are going to go with something like clickbank.com, because it's very easy to navigate even for complete beginners. Alternatively, if you don't want to be using ClickBank, you can go with something like Digistore24, which is yet another great beginner-friendly affiliate marketplace, or you can just go straight to warriorplus.com, which is kind of more advanced, but I'm using this platform to generate most of my affiliate commissions. Also guys, if you want to see how I'm making over $500 per day without spending single cent on traffic, using this completely automated system, and how other people are using it to make anywhere between $1,000 up to $4,000 per day using the done for you system that you're going to receive on sign up, just go to the video description and check out the free training video that's going to give you this little sneak peek into how this system works. So if you want to start making money even in your sleep using this system as well, give it a try, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in there. So just pick out the affiliate marketplace that you want to go with, and for complete beginners, I highly suggest that you follow through this video with ClickBank. Just log into your ClickBank account and then go straight to the affiliate marketplace. Right here you can see all the niches that you can promote off ClickBank, and pretty much what I highly suggest that you do is pick up a niche that you're most familiar with. Now, because most people are looking for the fastest proof that this is something that actually works, that reason I highly suggest that you're going to go to e-business and e-marketing section, and you are going to pick products from this one. Now, pretty much the only thing you need to pay attention to right here is the average conversion number and the gravity score right here. These two numbers are going to be like the general guidelines. For example, the average conversion of $984 is going to be showing the approximate amount of money you are going to be making from each sale of this product. Now, we also need to pay attention to the gravity score of the product, because each product has its own gravity score, and the higher the number, the easier time you will have promoting it. As you can see right here, you can see different gravities and different average conversions. For example, a gravity of 1 is not that good, even though you can make almost $1,300 just by promoting it. Now, what I suggest is that you go to this sort by results, and you are going to sort gravity high to low, and you are going to find the highest converting product at the top. Because this product is selling very well, but the average commission is just $70, I wouldn't go with something like this for this method, because you need a lot of sales to make a lot of money. If you're going to scroll down, for example, you can find something like this, $209, which means pretty much in like 10 sales you can make over $2,000, and also the gravity score on this product is pretty high, so it's going to work very well. Now, pretty much you want to also pay attention to the sales page that the product is offering, because you are going to be driving tons of buyers traffic to it, and if the sales page is not going to cut it in converting that traffic, you are not going to make any money. Now, pretty much something like this is going to be working very well, because you've got tons of details about the product with a call to action that's going to be implying that this offer is limited time only, as you can see right here at the top, going to create a sense of urgency. So once you're going to decide with affiliate product you want to go with, you just want to click on this promote button, which is going to open another window where you will have to put in your ClickBank affiliate nickname. Now, for me it's this one, and you get to choose it once you're going to be signing up for your account, and all you gotta do then is just click on create hop link, and you get your very own affiliate link. So it's going to look something like this, and don't get discouraged by the mix of numbers and letters. Just go ahead and copy it, and you want to save it somewhere where you can access it later. Once you choose an affiliate product that you want to go with and get its affiliate link, now it's time to start promoting it. Actually, the object of affiliate marketing is to get the most amount of relevant buyers traffic to the product that you have chosen, and now I'm going to show you how to set up one of the best affiliate marketing promotion techniques, which is going to be making you money for the next couple of weeks. Now, for the AI tools we are going to be using, first of all, head over to ChatGPT, Also, you are going to be needing a writer account. So just sign up for a writer account. If you don't have one, you can access all of its free features, and then also go to Google and you want to log into your Google Docs account and you want to create a blank document from scratch. Now you are ready to go. What you want to do now is just pretty much use ChatGPT to generate promotional emails for the product that you have chosen, then use Writer to actually polish them to perfection, because we all know ChatGPT is not very good at making those emails look generic, because we all know ChatGPT is not good at making those emails look authentic. What you want to do then is go to ChatGPT and you want to ask it to do this. Hello, can you please write me 25 email ideas for sequence that promotes product X? Also guys, product X is just like a placeholder name. You want to put in there the name of the product that you are going to be promoting. Once you're going to write it, just click this green button, and as you can see right here, ChatGPT is in real time going to generate all these titles for you. You don't have to spend time making these up. What you want to do now is just pretty much ask it to generate emails for the first couple of emails. For example, let's go with like 5 or something. So just ask ChatGPT to do that, then just go ahead and hit this green button one more time, and the emails are going to be generated in real time right in front of your eyes. Now, because ChatGPT is very good at generating these emails, but they do not have a high quality that's pretty much necessary for this method to work, what you want to do then is just go ahead and one by one select and copy these emails, and then you want to go to Writer and you want to pretty much use this AI tool to make them look a little bit nicer. So just go ahead and select the language that you want your emails to be in, and I'm going with English. Then just select the tone of these emails, and for this, the something like, for example, I don't know, enthusiastic is going to be working very well, and also make sure the form of the text is going to be set to email. Then just go ahead and paste the ChatGPT text into this field right here, and Writer is going to be using that with this creativity level and actually create a more human-like version of the text from the ChatGPT. As you can see right here, Writer is going to generate 2 versions of the same email. All you want to do is then just go through this with your eyes real quick, skim it real quick, and pick one that you want to go with. Once you're going to do that, just go ahead and copy and paste it into your Google document. What you want to do now is just go ahead and replace the name of the product with the actual name of the product that you are going to be promoting. Now for the next part, what you want to do is just pretty much go to ChatGPT and repeat this entire process for the second email, just like that. Just go ahead and paste it to Writer, click on create a new variant, and it's going to generate another 2 emails that are going to be stacked under the first one, so don't get discouraged if you are going to see the same emails at the top. All you gotta do is just scroll a little bit down and you are going to find the versions of the brand new emails. Now just pretty much go ahead and copy and paste it into your Google document just as well. And what you want to do now is just pretty much name them something so you are not going to be mistaken. And what I like doing is something like this. First of all, it's going to be email number 1 for the first one. Then I'm just going to copy and paste it to the next one, retype it into email 2, just like that, for example. Then just go back to ChatGPT and you want to repeat this entire process for every single one of these titles that you have generated in the first place. Now we are going to end up with something like this. This is one of the sequences that I've been using myself to promote different products, and I have buffed it all the way up to 30 emails. One of the most important parts that you need to keep track of is that the emails are going to have a structure. For example, you need a very catchy title so people are actually going to be opening them up. Then you want a short email because people don't want to be reading long emails, and you want to place there a couple of sentences that you can embed with your affiliate link. And at the very end, you want to sign up using your own name to make it a little bit more personal. Once you're going to have an email sequence just like this, now it's time to start sending it out to the potential customers. And actually, one of the best ways to do this is to make it automated. To do that, you want to go to the video description right below this video and click this link that you see here. It's going to take you to this site where you can sign up for an extended 30-day trial version of HighLevel. And this is my affiliate link, so if you decide to pay for subscription later down the road, I get a little kickback just for recommending you guys. But this platform has so many cool features that there's literally no way that you are not going to like it. So let's take a look inside, and if you're going to log into your account, it's going to look something like this. Pretty much to continue with this method, you want to go to this toolbar and click on automation right here, and you want to create a new workflow list. To do that, just go to this blue button that says create new workflow, and it's then going to take you to this editor. First of all, you want to add a new workflow trigger, so all you want to do just is click on it, and then you want to drag from these contacts created options, so every time the contact is going to be added to your list, the email sequence is going to start. Just go ahead, add it in there, and for a good measure, I'm going to also add in there the contact change, so in case somebody is going to make a change to the contact, it will start again. Then just click on this plus button, and pretty much what you want to do here is go to these communications options, and you can start sending out personalized messages automatically even in your sleep. Now, because HighLevel is offering all of these options for automation using Facebook messages, Instagram DMs, pretty much text messages, emails, you've got multiple ways how you can set up this exact same method. All you gotta do is just generate a bunch of these messages, for example, for Instagram DMs, and you can use it the exact same way that I'm going to show you. So just let's go for the email sequence this time, because I have generated over 25 emails for this. All you want to do then is just pretty much click on email. You want to set up the first email in the email sequence. So I'm just going to name it something like day 1, so I know what it's for. Then I'm going to type in my name and email address that I want this email to be sent from, just like that, so people will know this is coming from me. Then I'm going to move to the subject line. Just go to your Google document, and you want to pretty much copy the first email's subject line, and you want to go to HighLevel, paste it into the subject line. Then you can move to the body of the email. Let's go back to your Google Docs and copy the body of the first email in your sequence. Then just go back to HighLevel and paste it in there. And what I'm going to also do is customize part of the sentence so it's going to be personal for every recipient. To do that, just click on custom values, and you want to select contact. From all of these options, you want to select either full, first or last name that you want to be displayed for each recipient individually. And you just want to customize the name of the product in the body of the email to actually make it promoting the product that you have chosen. For example, let's go with something like 100 million mission for this one, about which I'm going to tell you in just a couple of seconds. And also don't forget to customize the name at the end of the email if you didn't do that before in the Google documents. Just like that, and you are ready to go. Just click on save action, and the first email is going to be added to the sequence. Now what you want to do is just click on this plus button, and you want to search for wait action. This way you are going to put a time delay between the emails that are going to be set, and you want to set this to 1 day. That means every day somebody is going to receive one of these emails, and pretty much you want to also customize the days and times at which these emails are going to be sent out. So I'm just going to select something like midnight to quarter to midnight to make it available for everybody that's going to be signing up all around the world. And then you want to just repeat this process for the entire email sequence that you have generated using ChatGPT and Writer. As you can see right here, this one is going all the way down to 30. And you can also make it as long as you want. You can make it 60, 90, 120. And on HighLevel, you can actually get to see how many people are on which email for the day. And that's the reason why I like to name these emails based on the day they are going to be sent out. So go ahead and name your emails based on the days that they're going to be sent out to make it more easier for you to read. Then you just want to go back to the toolbar and pretty much just click on sites, because you need to create your own landing site. To take you to this funnel section, and pretty much what you want to do here is select a new funnel by this blue button. You get to choose if you want to start building completely from scratch, or you want to use one of the templates that are pre-made on HighLevel that you can customize to your own liking. Just click on continue, and if you are going to be selecting a template, you can choose from the different niches for different businesses that you may want to be promoting. And pretty much if you're going to be in affiliate marketing, you can choose every single one of these, because you get to customize it however you want. You can choose literally everything from the background image to logo to the text. You can just delete, add, embed, do whatever you want with this template. And if you are not happy with either one of these templates, you get to build your own completely from scratch. Do that, just select the blank template right here, and you get to name it something, for example, like I don't know, funnel 1. So this is just for your own reference, so it really doesn't matter. Then you just want to click on add new step right here, and pretty much you get to name it something once again. I'm going to name it something like capture page, so I know what this site is going to do for. So I'm just going to type it in there, and then just click on create funnel step, just like that. Then what you want to do is just click on create from blank, and you get to design your very own template. Now, because this is actually going to take some time, and although it's very easy to navigate, all you want to do is just select section, add a full width, and you get to customize it however you want to. Then you also want to add in there some elements, for example, like one column, into which you can then add everything from headlines, text, bulletin list, buttons, everything you need for this template to work. If you don't want to be doing that, just pretty much import one of the templates in there, because it's way easier to actually customize something that's already created instead of just making it your own. So for example, retype the text into whatever you want to, change the images, embed your affiliate link in there. You can find top quality tutorials how to do this on YouTube. So if you are going to be creating your own, I highly suggest that you are going to take a look at a couple of them before you actually get to do this. Now, some of the important parts you really can't miss while doing this method is you want to embed there your opt-in form. I'm just going to get rid of a bunch of these elements that I don't want to be displaying in there because this page doesn't have to be very long, and I'm just going to add in there my opt-in form. We really can't skip this part of this process because that's actually what's going to be generating all the emails for the email sequence to work. So just go to forms and pretty much you want to add in there a simple opt-in form that you can design however you want in the custom high-level builder as well. I'm just going to use this one for the demonstrational purposes, but it's going to look something like this. It's going to capture the full name and email of whoever is going to come to this site if they decide to opt in, and then I'm going to use that email to start promoting them the affiliate product using the email sequence. You want to also embed the button with your affiliate link, so if they decide not to put their email address, they get to the sales page. Now the email sequence is going to kick in and it's going to be promoting the affiliate product 24/7, 365 even in your sleep. And pretty much you want to just publish this website and drive the most amount of relevant buyers traffic to it. Now for that I have something special prepared for you guys. That's the reason why I'm going to release a separate video this Thursday, which is in 2 days, because I really want to explain it to you guys in great detail and not just skim it in a couple of minutes at the end of this video. So just make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you are not going to miss out on that. In the meantime, if you want to check out some different money making methods, I have prepared an entire playlist of my videos for you so you can deep dive into that before the next video comes out. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.